Hello, I'm going to show you my homemade air conditioner out of a dehumidifier. As you saw, it's 25.5 degrees in here. I'm just going to put the temp probe on the screen. Okay, with this I've taken the hot side, the condenser out. The pipes, there's the receiver. There's a large fan, it's 125mm, it's 240 volt AC. Ducting in and out of, for the moment, a cardboard thing to block up my window. So, as you can see, I can still close the window, but it can't work like that, but it works well. The air coming out is at 19.8 degrees. Still falling. It's only been running for about an hour, but it gives a nice drop. It's been 27, 28 degrees at about 90% humidity for the last 3 days. So this thing works a treat. But I got given 2 dehumidifiers. They're pretty old, reasonably cheap looking things. They do have a piss poor excuse for a filter. It's basically a mesh to catch insects. It's pretty cool. But out of this I made another invention, which I'll make another video about. But it's called the perpetual ice bucket.